Another good problem, my dear children. You have to prove cosecant A minus sin A, correct? Cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A is equal to 1 over tan A plus cot A. I shall take the left hand side. Let us see what happens. You have taken the left hand side, correct? And carry out whatever is permissible and meaningful. Okay, we will see. Cosecant A is 1 over sin A because they are reciprocals minus sin A into secant A is 1 over cos A minus cos A. Am I correct? Nothing in the denominator is 1, nothing in the denominator is 1. Correct? Yes, you are right. How do I proceed? You will only take the LCM and proceed, nothing else you are doing. Okay, sin A and 1, LCM is sin A into 1. LCM is sin A into 1, correct? Sin A one time is sin A into 1. Sin A one time, 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 1 sin A times. Sin A into sin A is sin square A. Beauty. Please follow. LCM of cos A and 1 is cos A into 1. Cos A one time is cos A into 1. Cos A one time, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 cos A times cos A into cos A is cos square A. Super. What happens next? Observe. What is 1 minus sin square A? It is cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. All that you have learned at the beginning of the lesson trigonometry, my dear children. Divided by sin A. Super. Into. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A divided by cos A. Cos A cancels with 1 cos A. Sin A cancels with 1 sin A. You are left with cos A into sin A. You are left with cos A into sin A. Correct now? That's good. But then this is not the result that you wanted. You wanted 1 over tan A plus cot A, but you have got cos A sin A. So what will I do here? Shall I continue here, my dear children? Yes. I take that cos A into sin A. Okay. I will take that cos A into sin A. But I wanted 1 over tan A plus cot A. Okay. From this, there is no way of getting 1 over cot A plus tan A unless I do some manipulation now. So, who will tell us what to do? It's by practice. It's by working hundreds of problems. You will be able to get those ideas. See, your answer should be 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. You take it. Immediately multiply it by tan A plus cot A. They get cancelled and you are having what you already have. Right? Why did you multiply and divide? You will realize it now. Because you want to get only 1 by tan A cot A. Right? You will realize it now. See the beauty of it. So can I write this as 1 over tan A plus cot A, 1 whole over tan A plus cot A into this. Please watch. I'm just rewriting that one more step. Okay. Into cos A, correct? Into sin A into tan A plus cot A. Correct? See now, my dear children, you wanted only this as the answer on the right hand side. You have got something extra. Proceed and see what will happen to that something extra. See the beauty here. So that is 1 by tan A plus cot A. 1 by tan A plus cot A into this into tan A. Please watch. I will multiply it in the bracket, okay? Cos A into sin A, cos A into sin A into tan A plus, I am removing the bracket, right? I am not doing any magic. I am just removing the bracket. I am simply removing the bracket, right? Next, cos A sin A into cot A. Cos A into sin A into cot A, correct? Cos A into sin A into cot A, correct? Cos A into sin A into cot A. Beauty. Observe, observe, observe. That is 1 over tan A plus cot A into what is happening in the bracket. Observe. Please observe. You have cos A into sin A. What is tan A? It is sin A by cos A plus, please watch, you have cos A into sin A into what is cot A? Cos A divided by sin A. Beauty. This is what I wanted. Just observe. Cos A cancels with cos A, sin A cancels with sin A. What is going to happen in the next step? 1 whole over tan A plus cot A, correct, into what is happening in the bracket is very, very important. Sin A into sin A is sin square A plus cos A into cos A is cos square A, which is 1 over tan A plus cot A, correct, into what is sin square A plus cos square A? It is 1. So this into 1 is nothing but 1 over tan A plus cot A, and that is what you wanted on the right hand side, correct? You will be wondering why I have to do this. You have to do this to get the required result. Who will tell me on the day of the examination I have to do this? Nobody will tell you. You should have done variety of problems any number of times. Only then the ideas keep coming to your mind. Understood? Okay. This problem can also be done in a different way. I'll just suggest, and you can do that, right? You take the left hand side as I have taken. I simplified. What did I get? Sin A cos A. The left hand side has given me sin A cos A. Call it as result number 1. Now take the right hand side. Simplify this. How will you do it? 1 whole over sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Simplify it. You will get the same thing here. You will get the same thing here. Correct? Right? You will get the same sin A into cos A. So this also will give you sin A cos A. This also will give you sin A cos A. Therefore, these two are equal. That is, taking the left hand side separately, right hand side separately, also you can do. But here, we took the left hand side and we carried out the wonderful manipulation. Please write down.